everybody, welcome back. Well, we are back on the patio again because this is one of my favorite places to spend the evening and watch the sunset. And one of my favorite things to serve on the patio is a nice fresh watermelon. Another thing I love to serve is a great cocktail, and that's what we're going to make today. We're going to combine the two and make a watermelon margarita. So what you'll need for this recipe are watermelon, lime, tequila, simple syrup, and don't forget ice. Let's take our watermelon and cut it into cubes. We want 2 cups of cubed watermelon. This is a nice sweet watermelon. Nice and ripe, and that's what you want to have that extra flavor. I'm just doing a rough dicing. After we have gotten through with this process, we're going to strain it. Now I'm using a seedless watermelon because we are going to put this in the blender and you don't want those seeds in your margarita. Now you can see even though this is a seedless watermelon, I'm still finding seeds. So I'm trying to get those out of the way. In the past, I used 2 to 4 cups. The recipe says 2 cups, but let's just go with something close to that. Now you'll want to have your blender ready because you're going to put in the 2-3 cups of watermelon into the blender, and then you're going to add a half a cup of water. Blend this until it's a nice mush. That looks good. Now let's take our strainer and a bowl. We are going to strain, and let me move this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Let's strain this watermelon to get any of the pulp out. You can see how much pulp would go into your margarita, and you don't want that. This strainer has a fairly large screen on it, and it still takes a while for it to drain through. So don't make the mistake I did one time and use a strainer that has a really fine mesh. I'm slicing this lime because I want to use it for garnish, and I need 2 ounces of lime juice. We're going to experiment just a little. I've never tried this margarita with sugar around the rim of glass. So what I've done is I have my salt, my margarita salt, and I have a sugar that is actually used for cosmopolitan glasses, but I'm going to try one with sugar and one with salt to see which one we like the best. Because we have the watermelon sweetness, but we also have the lime tartness, so either one may work, but I'm going to try and see which one I want to serve next time. I'm using a lime to moisten the rim of the glass, each glass, and then I'm going to use salt on this glass. That's the traditional margarita. And then on this one, I am going to use sugar. Ooh, that's pretty. That is very pretty. So now let's start blending it all together. We will start with ice in our shaker. So we have our ice, and now you're going to add 2 ounces of lime juice, 4 ounces of tequila, and I'm using Silver Patron. You're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup. And then we are going to add 4 ounces of watermelon juice. Now, you don't have to use watermelon juice because we already have a lot of watermelon in this, but it does add a little extra liquid. If you're going to throw your watermelon juice away, don't worry about it. Just use a little extra water. But something that I have found that I have loved in these margaritas is this Sarah's Homegrown Frey Farms Aqua Fresca watermelon. Included in this beverage is water, watermelon juice, cucumber juice, cane sugar, lemon juice, and other natural flavors. And it just adds a little extra zing to it, another layer of flavor for your margarita. But if you can't find it in the stores, you don't have to use this. I have my 4 ounces. And then we're going to use our watermelon juice. This is the watermelon that we have strained. I am going to pour in the watermelon. There we go. Now shake it until it is cold. Look at this. And this is delicious. Isn't that a beautiful drink? And the presentation is perfect. We are ready for summer afternoons with that one. Let's garnish the drink with the sugar with watermelon. And let's garnish the drink with salt with a lime. Ooh, if you like sweet, this is your drink. If you like a traditional margarita with salt, this is your drink. Perfect. I hope you enjoy both of these. And if you do, and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So tap the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye.